What's up, guys? Welcome back. Thank you once more for tuning in. Today I am going to be installing a front bumper on my Hpi Baja. This is the 5T. This is a Baja. I've had this Baja for like 12 years. So I've had this for a long time. I do upgrades here and there. I went and got this bumper because this one tends to break right here a lot of times. Let's check it out. Got some goodies. Got your bolts, wing nuts. Oh man, this thing's sturdy, man. It's like aluminum. Oh, I wonder if that's to put in your front lights. I've never ran lights on it. I just got like sticker covers, but maybe I'll get some lights for it now. Feels pretty sturdy. So this is the other part that broke on it. I take it this. What goes on the outside? It goes on the bottom. And then this part just goes through there. Looks nice though. Looks nice and beefy, man. Alright guys, let's get into it, man. Okay. This is probably gonna eliminate that skid plate. Put a bit of screw. No wonder. It's because these 5th scale, they take a beating, man. When you wreck with these bad boys, I can straighten it out. Maybe. Well, this is out. And I think this stays. Uh-oh. Doesn't fit. Okay, so I just loosened the screws on the plate. I gotta take this broken piece off. And this Baja has a lot of rolling parts. Got a different engine in it. Okay, that's out. So it's pretty simple upgrade. I mean, it's just a bumper. Okay, now we get our clips in there. Okay, now I'm gonna put on the bottom reinforcement plate for the front. And it's harder to work on these 5th scales, man. For these ones, you almost do need a drill, because, man, freaking arm's getting tired holding this up. You just kind of want to get all your screws in there before you tighten them all up. Like everything else, you know. There's that bottom protector. I wonder if I should Loctite these. Usually when you got aluminum and aluminum, you want to Loctite it. Got a little bit of a play. See the play I got right there? I just put some washers there. Pretty much there you got it, guys. I still gotta finish putting the roll cage and stuff, but the bumper, it's on there. Wasn't too bad. It just pretty much bolts up right here, and then down here there's the old one. It is a little bit shorter, which seems nice. So with the body on, it pretty much runs past the bumper. So I might have to maybe trim it and put it in, or just leave it like that, which it doesn't look bad. Just looks kind of sucked in, you know. because before it was sticking out like out here. I didn't really like it a lot, but I don't know, now the body's probably gonna take a little bit more beating. Thank you guys for tuning in here into Julio's Garage, guys. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, man. My bumper looks pretty sick. I'm probably have to get some lights for it, man. See how it looks. Thank you guys. Peace out.